Back again with another video. It's another cold day up here in the Arctic, the 51st state. We're gonna start diving into all of the things that I determined were wrong with the first gen. I went over all those things in this video here. Maybe I'll link it, or make it float here in the sky. If not, it'll be down in the description below. I made a list in that video, and today we've got the truck in the shop. It's in between the lift right now. I'm gonna get the box pulled off, start taking a peek at the back half there, and maybe get it sandblasted, and just start chipping away at that list. No more talking, let's get after it. First question of every video when I start it up is, will it start? Never gets old. This thing is such a tractor. Just a couple oil leaks. Just a couple. Okay, and at this point the microphone that I was using decided it didn't want to work anymore. So here I am lifting the bed off the truck, going up a little bit. Oh, got to disconnect some tail lights there. Good thing I used those Deutsch connectors. That was kind of nice. Keep going up here. Get the bed the rest of the way off. Oh, wait a minute. Got to cut the 7-pin off. Yep, that's that guy right there. Keep going up a little higher. Get the bed all the way off. Go get the filler neck out of the way. After that, there's those Deutsch connectors that I love so much. They go up inside of there with the tail light and all the marker lights, and you guessed it, same thing on that side, and also a tail light. Here's a sunset in between, and here is the truck with the bed off. We've got some stiffener plates on the side. I'm going to just ignore those for now. Otherwise, the frame does not look too bad. The previous owner did coat it. Yeah, not too bad compared to the last truck that I had. I think I might end up just leaving it as it is and maybe just kind of spray some undercoating on there just to protect it. The inside of the frame rail has a little bit of surface rust. Again, if I spray some undercoating in there, we should be good to go. Nothing too bad. Again, I want to be able to drive this truck. It's not a show truck. Here I am talking about how cold it is outside. I've got ice forming in my beard. And that's pretty much it for the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff if you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. Why would I order an iced coffee in this? Jesus. Oh yeah, Timsy, double.